Do you feel insecure, uncomfortable, or unconfident while speaking English? You want to speak English fluently, but you hesitate and feel shy while speaking English? Then this video is for you guys. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to give it a like, share, and subscribe to my channel because your support motivates me to bring valuable and meaningful content for all of you guys. Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are having an amazing day. My name is Ramakant. Welcome back to my channel Learning English Together. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how mirror practice can help you build confidence and reduce your hesitation. So let's start without any delay. First of all, let me very honest with you guys. Earlier, I was very shy. I was scared to speak English. I used to feel uncomfortable, unconfident, even afraid of making mistakes. Then I started doing one thing, which is called mirror practice. And it helped me immensely to boost my confidence and reduce my hesitation. So you can also do it in your day to day life. Now the question is, what is mirror practice? Many of you don't know, right? Let me explain you guys. Mirror practice is very simple. You just have to stand in front of a mirror and talk to yourself. You can talk about your day. You can talk about the thing which you like the most. You can talk about your family members. You can talk about why do you want to improve your English. You want to do a good job. You want to crack your interview. No matter what your reason is, just talk to yourself in English. And when you speak in front of a mirror, you talk to yourself, right? That is called mirror practice. Now, let me share my own experience with mirror practice. Guys, when I started doing mirror practice for the first time, I felt very awkward. I was thinking, what is mirror practice? And what I'm doing? Am I on the right path or not? Will it help me to improve my English or not? I was very much confused at that time. My body language was weak. My voice was low. I could not maintain eye contact with myself. Then I told myself, if I can't face myself, how can I face the world? Right? Then I started talking to myself in front of the mirror again and again, again and again. Then this mirror practice helped me in many ways. First of all, it helped me feel comfortable with my own voice. It improved my body language, even fluency. It removed my fear of being judged, and I stopped thinking about grammar and focused on communication, not perfection. And one important thing I realized is this: confidence does not come before speaking. Confidence comes by speaking. And if you want to do this mirror practice, just stand in front of a mirror for 10 to 15 minutes. Talk to yourself. Talk about your day. Talk about your job. Talk about any topic you like. And don't stop even if you make mistakes, because mistakes are part of learning. So start talking to yourself today. And one day, the whole world will listen to you confidently. If I can do it, you can do it too. I hope this video will motivate you a bit. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give it a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and let me know in the comment below on which topic you want me to create a content for you. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.